Hi, everybody. Congratulations on making it to Business 220. We begin our course through Principles of Management on, March 27th already is your first day of class. We will have our first live session on March 28th at either 7 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Do the time change for your local region to figure out when you should be ready. You can also click on web meetings in your course and find the exact times and link to the Zoom meeting. We'll have 4 of them in this term. You will also be learning, as usual, through Learn-Its every week. You'll be learning through assignments that are just about every week. And you've got a book. What else? Yellow Dig. Let's not forget about Yellow Dig. Yellow Dig is a very important part of our learning. It's where we explore topics that aren't presented in our books or through our live session. And it's also where we build community. So if you have those study buddies already in place, keep them going. If you have a study group in place, keep it going. Work together and do great things. If you don't have a study group going or a study buddy, I really highly encourage you to get one. You will be able to talk about your assignments, get clarity on things, and discuss different ways to approach assignments. You'll be with these students, your students that you'll see every week for the next several classes. So please don't forget to start a study group. And it is important. People who are active in study groups do better in classes. They get higher grades. They have higher GPAs. And that's always a good thing. So if you have any questions, you'll know how to reach me through the SMS text messaging process or through inbox in your course. You know I'm available for you anytime that way, and we can schedule one-on-one meetings together if it's convenient. I'll see you at our live session on Tuesday.